Dear students, this video is regarding the issues you are facing for installing VirtualBox in your laptops. The major issue we many students are raising here is regarding the uh, size of the ISO image which we asked you to download. So the size, as I am showing you here, it is like 10.5 GB, which many students are starting in the lab itself in the college using the college Wi-Fi, which will not support to download 10.5 GB file. So here many students are facing the issue for this size of this image. We asked you to download that at home and then come here. Otherwise, take it into a pen drive and then load it here. But still, there are problems that are being faced by many people. So what we are going to do here is we will send you an ISO image through Telegram, so which is of only 1 GB through Telegram. So you no need to open any other link through Telegram. Uh, the file size is 991 MB only. So this file you can download and you can use it for creating a virtual machine. So open your VirtualBox. This is the earlier operating system which I created with the 10.5 GB file. Now you can click on new. You can click on new. Say this is RHEL, some name I can give. ISO image you can select or you can select it later. Click on next. Next. So many people are saying that our system is taking nearly 20 GB or 30 GB is being allocated for this machine. We all know that hard disk is needed for our machine to perform some, store some files or to perform some operations. We need some hard disk, but the minimum is 20 GB. So uh, anyhow, in our system, we are not going to use the entire hard disk space, which is 500 GB or 1 TB. So 30 GB doesn't matter while you are given. So click on next and click on finish. So you can see the RHEL9 machine was created. Once you click on start, it will ask for the ISO image. Click on others. Uh, so my file is in download. So this is the 900 MB file. Open it, mount and retry boot. So here you can select use arrow marks. Once click inside the box and click on install Red Hat option. As I told you to click inside and come outside, you can use the right arrow button and control. So since this file is easy to download, you will not face much problem. And this is a command line interface which will allow you to do all the commands. And now, so there is only one point where we need to deal with this ISO images. You need to give your Red Hat ID and Red Hat password uh, while you are registering for this image. So you all know your Red Hat IDs and passwords. If that Red Hat ID and password is not working, you can ask your faculty to give that ID. So your faculty will help you in giving that ID. So you can use any of your friends' IDs also if yours is not currently getting registered. Right? So uh, let us wait for the options which you are getting. The options will be almost similar to CentOS. As we all know that CentOS, Fedora, and Red Hat come on the same line. So click on English, click on India, continue. So here you are seeing an option, right, connected to Red Hat. So in that option, you need to give the Red Hat ID and password. My Red Hat ID is this one. Dot. My password I am giving here and click on register. Right? Click on register. So here, many people, if they are not properly giving their uh, registered user ID and password, Red Hat ID and password, it may not get registered. In that case, you can ask your faculty or any of your friends user ID and password, and you can register. There is no issue with that. So, or even you can come to me. So my system is registered. You can see here. You can click on done. Now you can see in my system, uh, this part was done. The software part is done. Connected to Red Hat, that part was registered. You can see here. This is the only difference, right? So it was registered. Now I'll go to the installation part. Click on hard disk. Click on done. Right. So hard disk selection is also done. Right. Fine. Now you can go to the root password setting. As I mentioned you, give the password as a root only. It will say it is short, but no issues. You can say root and click on done. Double click on done. So please confirm the software selection. It was coming. It took some time for to get this highlighted. So I'm clicking on this. Right. So it is asking whether I need a server with a GUI or server or a minimal install and so on. So you leave it like this and you can go with any of these option is fine. Anything is fine. So I am going with the server with the GUI and click on done. Right? Or you can go with minimal install if you just have need to do a basic functionality operation. That is also fine. So I am leaving that with server with GUI. Okay, and it is saying begin installation. And it will start installation. And once it is started, you will be asked to reboot the system. So that's all. You can see the installation is completed as I have taken uh, the first option. It took nearly 40 minutes of time. I can reboot my system. So click on reboot. You can see the screen of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Right from here, you can start the setup and you can do your work. Give your name, just say next. Set a password. Remember my name I have given earlier, that will be my username. I have given password. Click on next. That's all. I can start using the enterprise Linux, which is almost Red Hat 9 and CentOS 9 will almost be same. So this is how you can install using the 1 GB file. So it will take only uh, 40 minutes of time. The same screen which you are seeing in the Red Hat Academy portal, or the same screen you will see here also. Right. So all the commands will work here. Thank you.